Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Woo! Oh man! Assalamu alaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here. Diaton GTB 339F Cube, a toothpick with a cube frame. Very good shot, Arish. I heard it and I saw it. And I can tell you, this thing is absolutely a different animal. With just 2 and 3S batteries, this thing has an incredible amount of power, punch and speed. Truly, this is designed for some high-speed FPV racing or FPV freestyling. Now I've been testing it and I have had some interesting findings which I will share with you. But first, you know, people have nightmares. Yes, I do. Do you know what is an FPV pilot's nightmare? This. I know. I mean, could you imagine what I was feeling at that time? I dived from that tall bridge and right like 10 meters or so above the water, my video feed just gone. Lucky me, I kept my cool and leveled the quad and kept flying with the artificial horizon feedback because my video was alive. I mean, video feed was alive, but the camera feed was gone. That was horrible. Anyway, I flew it other place without any issues. Now, let's fly it line of sight first, and then I'll do some FPV with it so you can enjoy the FPV views, and obviously you can also enjoy the line of sight views. So let's do it. I have strapped a 3S 450 milliamp battery on this. For line of sight, I shouldn't be doing that actually, because this is crazy on 3S. Let's give it a try. Auto level mode. Holy sh... I mean, did you just see that? It was almost on the moon. In the clouds. You didn't see that? Okay, watch it again. Come on. Hold on. And land. Ready?
Okay.
Ready? Oh man! Oh man! Oh, please come back. Please come back. Is it going or coming? Oh man, for line of sight 3S is it's crazy. For line of sight 3S is crazy, man. You gotta be very careful with the throttle on this quad, man, because this can simply go out of range. It's absolutely really fast quad, man. I mean, on 3S I haven't seen speeds like this. On 3S, I haven't seen a speed like this. Look at that speed on this thing. I mean, it's like 40-50% throttle and it just shoots up like crazy. I have to be very careful with the throttles. You will never be able to shoot this quad, Arish. I can't have enough of this on 3S and even 2S. It pulls so much speed that, you know, what you're watching now is like 25% throttle only. Woo!
You know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?